So check this out, the latest tech from Samsung, it's Micro RGB. I gotta say, I'm kind of a fan of this movement towards these new display technologies, especially when they're high resolution, have this matte finish. And the thing about this Micro RGB is you get this hyper realistic color representation. So in this example here, you've got a soccer game, feels like you're there, extremely slim bezel as well, and just slim display in general. Now, the other thing Samsung is working on is their new interface. Like everything else in 2026 is AI based or moving towards AI features, asking questions and conversing about the content that happens to be displayed on screen. What are the must-see places in Canada for somebody visiting for the first time?
I'd suggest exploring the Canadian Rockies for breathtaking mountain scenery and beautiful lakes. Don't miss Niagara Falls, a truly iconic natural wonder. If you're into cities, Toronto and Vancouver offer diverse experiences.
What's interesting here, this just makes it a little bit faster to go from your question and into your content because you're on your display already. And then over time, it can kind of read your taste, recognize your viewing patterns, and utilize context to give you better results, richer answers, and just more refinement. Our Vision AI designated button, it's on the remote right under the microphone, but it's also on the display here. You can even do a generative wallpaper if you want. That could be cool. So I like neon. Yeah, let's start with neon. Oh, skyline for sure. Ooh, wow. Now we can get a sense for some of those inky blacks. Another advantage, obviously, with the micro aspect of Micro RGB is the ability to have incredibly dark sections right up against incredibly bright sections. And of course, the other area where AI can enhance your experience is with the image itself. So this will aim to adjust your picture and sound settings based on your environment, the type of content you're watching, and your own personal preferences. They've also got a new AI engine, Micro RGB AI Engine Pro. Now this utilizes real-time AI analysis to precisely control those micro-sized light sources. Now this is not only going to enhance the detail, but it's also going to give you better motion clarity. Something like sports just feels more immersive and more realistic. Hey, can you please play a YouTube video from Unbox Therapy?
So I was at CES.
So check it out. Look what happened here. So it went right past the channel page and picked a video because that's kind of what I asked it to do. And that's obviously better than going into the little text input section, saying the word, seeing the search results, then clicking. So it's better than dictation.
So I actually didn't know this, but Samsung has been the world's #1 TV brand for 20 consecutive years. And with this Micro RGB, they've got some new VDE certifications for both eye safety and biological rhythm. I've noticed that color temperature does play a role in my ability to relax. So this TV is certified for eye safety and it's designed to align with that rhythm. It will adjust both brightness and color temperature throughout the day. So Samsung is actually positioning this Micro RGB technology as a top tier or top status within their lineup. So you can think of it as a flagship or even a supercar variant within their lineup. So you might be wondering about the difference between Micro RGB tech and Mini LED tech. Unlike Mini LED, which still relies on grouped backlight zones, Micro RGB is using individually controlled micro-sized RGB light sources. So this delivers better color expression and precision at a pixel-like level. So it's an advancement beyond any kind of conventional LED technology. So you've got Micro RGB Precision Color 100, which is BT 2020 100% representation. So this precision color tech, it reproduces subtle differences between similar shades, such as deep crimson versus scarlet. They actually received the world's first color certification from VDE. If I'm gonna take a trip to Toronto, do you have some suggestions for things I can do?
The Edge Walk at the CN Tower in Toronto is an exhilarating experience where you can walk hands-free on a 1.5 meter wide ledge, 356 meters above the ground. It offers panoramic views of Toronto and Lake Ontario and is the world's highest full-circle, hands-free walk.
Turn on AI soccer mode. So how does this AI Soccer Mode Pro actually work? The picture and sound are optimized in real time in order to enhance the experience and mimic what it's like to be at an actual soccer match. But so is the commentator's voice for clarity.
And another advantage of Micro RGB is the glare-free technology. So there's a specialized matte finish here. I love to see matte finishes making a comeback. This technology works by scattering light across the surface and preventing that mirror effect. Basically what's going on here is you're getting micro-sized RGB light sources. They're smaller than mini LEDs, so this helps to control light output and give you more accurate color reproduction. Just like mini LEDs, the whole concept here is that like the smaller your lighting, the greater the precision in kind of separating those dark sections of the image from the bright section of the image. You can just get a lot more detailed in how you're managing that light output.
So this particular display is also featuring their new AI Sound Controller Pro, and this is using AI to analyze the scene that you're watching in real time. And then it also allows users to customize individual elements within the audio mix through that analysis. Similar to if you're like a music producer and you have a track or a song and you have different stems for each of those elements, AI is going to be able to extract those individual elements even though you're post-mix in what you're watching. So you can simply say something like decrease background music volume or mute background music using the mic that's built into your remote. So Micro RGB Tech, it's a new player, a new choice, a new option. And if you've been thinking about upgrading your movie watching experience, sports viewing experience, this is definitely going to be on your list now. This is something worth looking at. And if you get a chance to see it in store, it creates a unique kind of representation with this matte finish that's resistant to glare and reflections, combined with the ability to display dark blacks and then saturated colors. Micro RGB is definitely going to be worth your consideration.